Welcome to Repair Talk. My name is Jonathan. Today we are working on the iPod Classic and how to remove the back housing. For this particular procedure, you're not going to need a lot. You're just going to need a iSesamo tool and some tweezers. iSesamo tool is very handy when it comes to removing this back housing without any damage. Now, to start this out, you want to make sure that the hold button is turned on and you do see the red as indicated here. Using the iSesamo tool, there are a few slots on the side that you can slide it in between the back housing and the front screen and start to bend it out as to push the front screen out and allowing it to clear the tabs from the back housing. And working from the left side all the way to the right, if you just continue this, it will eventually pop free. Using too much pressure or too much stress can damage that back housing. That's why I recommend the iSesamo tool. Take your time, watch what I do here. It does not require that much effort. Once the front has cleared the back housing tabs, do not try to lift away that back housing as it is still plugged in via the battery. Using the tweezers, you can gently pry on the lock tab that is locking that flex cable in place. Once it lifts up, the flex cable comes out. There is also a flex cable that holds the hold button and the auxiliary jack to the motherboard. You will also have to disconnect this before trying to separate that back housing from the rest of the iPod. Now, while you still have this open, you do want to go ahead and test it and make sure everything is functioning as it should before closing it up. To do this, you will have to unlock the hold button and, of course, turn it on. Once you're done with that, do remember to put that back on hold, meaning the red is visible, before trying to snap together this iPod. Putting it together is just as easy as taking it apart. You want to start at the charge port and put a little bit of pressure and you will hear those tabs snap in place. In the event that you have damaged any of the tabs associated with the back housing, you need to use a pair of pliers to straighten those out or push those back in. If you don't, you will cause a lot of damage to the iPod when you try to push this back together. And now you know. This was another episode of Repair Talk. I'm Jonathan. Have a great one. If you liked it, let me see a thumbs up. If you really like it, hit that subscribe button. Wait, what am I saying? Hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.